Good day everyone. I am Michipan Garancho Jmart, a regular student. Today, we will discuss how to rectify the failure using multi-tester while interpreting the diagram. Diagram A shows the correct flow of the current in this circuit, and the diagram B has a failure, and we're going to try to rectify and check the circuit using multi-tester. And before we start, we should shut off the power supply and circuit breaker for our safety. In the diagram B, the line 3 and the line 4 is neutral or faulty. So the problem of the fault is line 3 or line 4, which is connected to our motor, which is normally open, which causes the fault and failure. That is why the motor cannot work in running condition. As we can see, line 1 is connected to our push button switch, and it also has a fault, and we try to check if the line is okay or short circuit by using multi-tester. But before that, we check it should identify the positive and the negative line provided in the given diagrams. So line 3 is the positive line and the line 4 is the negative side. Try now to check if the failure is the connectivity to our line or there is a fault that causes failure to our motor. The line 3 is connected to the line 1. Same thing will do to our line 4 to the line 1. If there is a line, okay, there is no failure to our connection. If the line has a fault, it will cause short circuit and it will not give enough power supply to our motor. The connectivity to our line 3 and line 4, we can give proper supply in good condition to our motor. Rectify and troubleshoot, it will change the failure line to reconnect and connection of our motor. Also, we'll check our switchboard to our circuit breaker whether it is a trip. It will try to switch it on to check the condition of the system if it is good. That's all, and God bless.